Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. Just have to turn this down because this is an Elmo Transvideo Super 8 sound. So these are very rare, as are all Super 8 sounds. This is a Super 8 sound. And where else we got another one? This is a Tobin Super 8 sound. Super 8 sound. And here is another short-lived run of Tobin Super 8 sounds. So you got sound heads at the bottom. Now, it's coming through, but that's just poor recording originally back in the day. You can kind of hear it here. I'm running it through a TC Electronic sound enhancer as well. Just testing this out, and yeah, these are very, very rare. And this is why on this particular customer's order, see the telltale signs here. Turn this down. Turn this down. This is just a very rough video. Yeah, so this telltale sign right here, these barcode stickers. This is Legacy Box, aka South Tree, aka Kodak Digitizing Services. That will take your money, and if you've got sound film, they will not transfer the sound. It's in the fine print on their little handbook, and their reason being is because it's quite comical that they don't believe the sound transfer quality is even worth their investing in equipment. Basically, there is very limited equipment, so they can't find the equipment, therefore they don't transfer your sound. Now, the gold strip there is the magnetic audio strip, and that is what you're looking for. Also, sometimes on the boxes, they have written on them Super 8 sound. So right there, Super 8 sound. 1973 onwards. And yeah. So, as you can see here, silent sound. And on these, if I can zoom in here, it's got 2-track. So you can go 1, 2, or stereo. Same on here. 1, 2, silent, or sound. Super 8 sound is not great quality, but it can come through pretty good. I mean, here's, again, apologize for the rough nature of this. So this is where all the magic happens here, and so these are Super 8 sound reels right here, and this is how they all come back. So if you number them 1 through what have you, they all come back like this. So do not splice any of these reels together, which they do at every company out there, splices all your reels together. You don't even know this. So if you've got a system with notes, it's all going to come back on large reels like you see over there. And yeah, so you get a file for each individual reel. You can rename it, edit it, do whatever you want with it. Let's just randomly click on a couple so you can hear the audio. And sometimes it's silent. And this was pretty primitive technology back in the day, but it is there. And if you've got loved ones and you want to hear their voices, sometimes the audio was added after the fact, so it might sound a little weird. All of it sounds kind of weird, but because it is primitive, you know, pretty primitive technology. Yeah, this is an Elmo. So you've got all the automatic controls there on the back. S-video out, so you can hook it up to a computer or what have you. and boom, it's coming out right here. So you can hear it. Turn the volume down. Sometimes picture quality isn't that great. These bars here are from the refresh rate between my iPhone and the monitor here. But all of this equipment is very, well, it's non-existent. But if you want to get Super 8 sound digitized, I can do it. And I have complete transparency. You see the equipment here, you know it's going to get done right. I have 5-star rating on Google, hundreds of reviews. That's what you need to do if you're trying to find a company to do this for you. They need to have a 5.0 or thereabouts on Google. Hundreds of reviews, not just 5 that their neighbors left them. And also a YouTube channel, hopefully. And if, because otherwise they're going to be using one of these things, which are absolute trash. I've got a few review videos on those. Even this here, the Wolfie Marine Movie Maker Pro, which is all silent and just painfully slow. But yeah, and if you've got videotapes, anything like that, I do that as well. But extensive amount of equipment here for film transfers. And yeah, do the job right, as you can see on the reviews. That's pretty much it. Not here to ram me or got memories down your throat, but here's just a little loose video just on the equipment. I've got tons of other videos on YouTube as well, and you can just kind of make your own mind up from there. I'm based in Phoenix, Arizona. I am by appointment for local drop-offs, but wherever you are in the world, I can accommodate if you wanted to send your stuff in. And that is that. Okay. All the best. Cheers.